What's up, my Pacific Northwest ninjas? Welcome back to the video. So I am super excited to be back in Bend, Oregon. Now, last time I was here was in April when I ran the Bend half marathon, and I knew I just had to come back. Just so much more hiking to do here, such a beautiful area. Now, when I was here in April during my half marathon, I was able to get in a couple hikes. I hiked to 𝐷𝐸𝐺 Falls and also 𝐾𝐭 Falls. I got videos on both those waterfalls, so definitely check them out. So today's adventure brings me to the very busy and beautiful Smith Rock State Park, where I'm going to be checking out the Misery Ridge and River Trail. Now, on this trail, we're going to see some awesome rock formations, and we're going to be hiking by the river as well. Now, it is a beautiful day out, and you guys know what that means. I got my drone with me, so I can just tell I'm gonna get some great footage for you guys today. Really excited to be back in Bend. All right, my ninjas, if you're ready to see the beautiful Pacific Northwest, let's get going. This section is about a half a mile with about 600 feet of elevation gain. So nice little workout here. Nothing too crazy, but it's definitely a little workout. All right, ninjas, made it to the top of Misery Ridge. Gonna take a little break in the shade here, have a snack, and then I'm gonna break out the drone. Looks like we have some really amazing views from up here. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty spectacular. So excited to fly the drone around and see what kind of footage we get. And yeah, this trail doesn't have a lot of shade. It's pretty exposed, but a couple spots right up here on top of the ridge. Some nice shady areas to rest and relax. So I'm hiking along the top of Misery Ridge right now, and we're going to hop on the river trail as we start descending down. Gorgeous views. Wow. Gorgeous views. All right guys, we made it to the river trail and we're gonna take this trail right back to the trailhead. So should have some nice views of the river right beside us along the way. So let's keep going. All right, ninjas, I am making my way back to the trailhead. That is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Misery Ridge and River Trail right here in the beautiful Smith Rock State Park in Bend, Oregon. It is really awesome to be back in Bend, Oregon, doing some hiking. I couldn't wait to come back when I was here in April, and glad I'm able to be here, get some hikes in. Incredible views. We had views of multiple mountains. If you enjoyed the views and the drone footage, give the video a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to check out my Instagram in the description below, where I post some pretty cool pictures of my hikes. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel, become part of the PNW Ninja crew. And I'm gonna take you to see even more scenic views, mountains, rivers, lakes, waterfalls, and other beautiful parts of the Pacific Northwest. So, till next adventure, take care.